Good morning to all. My name is Himanshu Srivastav. Today we will read the story Expert Detectives by Sada Dwivedi. This video includes line-wise explanation, summary, short answer type questions and long answer type questions. So let's start the story. Mysterious Mr. Nath. There is a character Mr. Nath. Nisad and his 10-year-old sister Maya has always been inquisitive about their neighbor Mr. Nath. One day, their marbles went inside his house, and Nisad got a chance to catch a glimpse of Mr. Nath. To Nisad, he appeared to be a crook running away from the cops. He had a bar scar on his face, actually, not for Nisad, for Maya. He had a bar scar on his face and did not have any friends. But Mr. Nath is a patient to their mother, who is a doctor by profession. Their mother has told them that he is a polite man. Nisad is also called Seven because his name meant the seventh note on the musical scale. Soft hearted Nisad. The two children were busy discussing their mysterious neighbor. They argued about his financial wealth, how he manages his food, and so on. Nisad thinks that he is poor and doesn't have much money, while Maya believes that he has got a lot of it and has kept it hidden somewhere in his room. Then it was Mr. Nath's car that bothered the children. They thought that he might have got during a shootout with the police. On their mother's birthday, Nisad went along her to the clinic. He happened to see Mr. Nath there. He was worried seeing Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. The evening, Nisad went to his place and gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath. Befriended Ramesh, the boy who used to bring food for Mr. Nath from a nearby restaurant. Ramesh informed him that Mr. Nath had two meals a day and tea in morning and evening. His meal was the same every day and always used to pay in cash and tips as well. He brings two lunches in Sunday on Sunday and it is the same visitor he finds there. The visitor was a tall, stout, and spectacled man who talks a lot while Mr. Nath is quiet person. The children were thrilled and they were discussing the possibilities of Mr. Nath being a crook. Maya's fact. Their school opened after the summer holidays the next day, but they could not attend it because of heavy rains. Nisad was busy reading his comics when Maya informed what she had done. She had made a note of everything they knew about Mr. Nath, calling them facts, and gave a number to each one of them. Nisad disagreed with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a criminal. He felt bad for him for having no friends, while Maya thought that the visitor who comes to his place on Sunday may be his partner, who knows all his secrets and maybe the loot as well. Both the children had an argument, and Nisad was upset with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a crook. Nisad was interested only in finding out why Mr. Nath was so thin and a loner. He wanted to be his friend, and Maya's theories did not have any impact on Seven. Now, the summary of the story. Maya, a girl of 10, and her brother Nisa, the boy of 7, were very curious about one Mr. Nath, who had been living at Sankar house for over an year and was their mother's patient. He was a very lonely and thin man and looked starved. Maya was of the opinion that he was a criminal on the run and had lots of money stacked somewhere in his room. While Nisad, on the other hand, was considering the possibilities of being just a poor, friendless soul who had no proper means to sustain himself. However, one thing that both agreed on was that there was something peculiar and strange about Mr. Nath. One day, while playing, one of their marbles went into Mr. Nath's room, and to extract it, the children went there. For once, they had a look at Mr. Nath and since began debating about him and his possible profession. Maya interrupted the burn marks on his face to be caused by a fire started by the police to turn him out of his house. Nisa thought it to be too far fetched, though he did not have much in defense of the man. On the Monday after their mamma's birthday, as Maya had to spend the day with a school friend, Nisad went to Mr. Nath's room alone and offered him a chocolate bar, considering his emaciated state. When he later told of his encounter with the man to Maya, she was disappointed that she missed it but wanted to know more about whatever else her brother had found out. Nisad had a talk with Ramesh, who carried food from restaurant to the strange man's room, and found out that every Sunday a talkative, tall, fair, stout, and bespectacled man came to visit Mr. Nath. He also found out that Mr. Nath, though did not care what food was brought to him, tipped Ramesh well. Maya interrupted it all as a great conspiracy and saw the bespectacled man as an accomplice to Mr. Nath, visiting him to give part of the money they had looted together. Nishad wondered at his sister's imagination and thought Mr. Nath quite ordinary. Maya rejected Nisad's idea further, adding that many criminals are usually ordinary looking. The next day, their school was to reopen after the summer holidays, but because of incessant rain, they enjoyed another holiday. Maya took a paper and decided to jot down the developments in the mystery of Mr. Nath's identity. She shared it with her brother and talked about various points, like many being scared of Mr. Nath, his not receiving any mail ever, his unfriendly nature, having just one friend, a possible accomplice, and so on. Nisad countered Maya at various points but was constantly put down by her, who just wanted to prove that Mr. Nath was a criminal. Nisad did not like this attitude and asked Maya to stop always referring to a man as a criminal. Maya pointed out the futility of their snobbing if it was not so, but Nisad said that it was not necessary for the man to be criminal for him to want to know about him. He stormed out of room saying that he would become the lonely man's friend. Maya noticed his adamant take on the matter and that her theory had no effect on him. So this was the summary and these are some short answer type questions. This is also questions, one word or one sentence answer, you may consider it, and I hope this will help you out to understand the story. Thank you.